This is Jesus Manuel Menegarza. Hope you're having a fantastic day. In this video I compare two of my cameras. Both are rather lightweight. One is my Micro Four Thirds camera and my other is my action camera. Let's start off this video with a comparison of my Micro Four Thirds camera, which is a Panasonic Lumix G85 with kit lens. I have attached to it my Benro carbon fiber tripod legs, my Surui VH10X video head, and for audio, for ambient sound, I'm using the Rode Video Micro mic. At the end of the video you're going to hear some narration with that mic. So let's get on with the video. I'm going to be shooting different segments with that camera, the Lumix G85, and also my action camera, and that's coming up in just a short while. This is Jesus Manuel Menegarza. I hope you're having a fantastic day again. Hope I'm not very redundant. I'm hiking along this trail near Lake Cabresto, near Cuesta, New Mexico, which is part of the one of the cities in the Enchanted Circle, and just hiking here. Just thought I'd show you some of the sights. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me regarding the Enchanted Circle, communities of Santa Fe, Taos, Red River, Angel Fire, and of course Cuesta. Let's get back to the video. For both the Lumix and the Firefly, I lowered down the exposure a bit. Not a lot, just a little bit, just to give it a little more intense color. And then I increased the contrast. Both cameras were shooting at 4K at 30 FPS. They both apparently relatively have the same bit rate. They're both, I think, 8-bit cameras. But I did notice that the Hawkeye Firefly has a bit more compression. You can see artifacts when you move around. You can see the compression, etc., etc. But I enjoyed shooting with both of them. Definitely the Firefly is a lot lighter. It's a very light combination, especially with that wired lav on my shirt. I clip on there my little $8 wired lav. And the Hohe MySteady Pro 2 gimbal. It's only about $85 when I bought it last year. And of course the Hawkeye Firefly, several generations old, but it's a decent little budget action camera, typically selling for around $100. And for $100 you can get a very decent action camera. And of course for $300 or $400 you can get a very nice DJI or GoPro Hero camera. It's all a matter of your budget. So what do you think of the images so far? Don't forget to leave your kind and friendly comments below the description. What do you think of the difference between the Hawkeye Firefly 8S and my Panasonic Lumix G85? Be honest. I'd appreciate it. Thank you very much. Let's get back to the video and my wife and I hiking at about 9,000 feet in elevation near Cabresto Lake. at 9,000 feet of elevation. It's a bit tough on the lungs, but I sort of adapted after a few days in the Red River, Cuesta, Santa Fe area. It's about ready to start raining. It's starting to sprinkle a little bit, so I better get back to camp. Seen quite a few horses on this trail. Very nice horses. People living their Western dreams. Hope you're living your dream. Let me get back to the trail. I don't plan to come back to Cabresto Lake anytime soon because I got a flat tire going down the road. For about 5 miles on this road, it's pretty bad. You have to have an ATV or a Jeep or know what you're doing, which I don't. I was riding down this road with my little 3-ply truck tires, which aren't very good. And I popped a tire, I had to fix it on the side of the road. My wife said, call road service. And I said, hey, I'm not even getting phone service here. So I went under the tire, changed it, and went to Santa Fe. Spent 2 hours driving to Santa Fe and 2 hours plus driving back, and I got a new tire. So let's get back to the video, and I'll stop complaining. I'm going to keep this short because my battery signal is going, say, hey, you're almost out of energy here. So again, from Carson's National Forest, hope you're having a great day. Hope the COVID hasn't gotten to you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. I would greatly appreciate it. It's starting to get dark, and it's starting getting cold here in the Carson National Forest. And if you have the time, leave your kind and friendly comments below the description. Thank you very much. Hope you're again doing fantastic. This is Jesus Manuel Menegarza. Gracias. Adios. Bye-bye.